All right, now let's talk about division by fractions. Remember that division is always just multiplication by the reciprocal. So in a case like this first one, where we're just dividing a number a by a fraction c over d, that's really just a times the fraction d over c, which is a over 1, numbers are just always over 1, times the fraction d over c. And then we just use the multiplication rule, numerator times numerator, denominator times denominator, to get AD over C. And we can also divide a fraction by a fraction. So this division is going to be represented by A over B times D over C, the reciprocal of C over D. And the multiplication rule just gives us AD over BC. So here's a simple numerical example. 3 divided by 1/3. Well, that's just 3 times 3 over 1, or 3 over 1 times 3 over 1, which is 9 over 1, which is just 9. But the question is, what does it mean to divide 3 by 1/3? Well, here's a picture. When we divide 3 things into thirds, what we're doing is dividing 3 whole things, represented by these circles, 3 wholes, into thirds of a circle, and we're asking how many thirds go into 3 wholes. Well, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there are 9 thirds that can fit into 3 wholes. Here's a trickier example. 2/3 divided by 1/4. Well, that's 2/3 times 4 over 1, which gives us 8 thirds. So pictorially, if we divide 2/3 of a circle into 1/4, what we're asking is how many of these 1/4 will go into a 2/3. Well, here's a 1/4, and here's another 1/4, and then we also have part of a 1/4, and the question is, what part of a 1/4 is left over here? Well, it's less than 1/4, and in fact, it's 2/3 of 1/4 of the circle, or 1/4 of 2/3 of the circle. And if we add up what we've got here, we've got 2/3 plus 3/3 plus 3/3 of the circle, and that's 8 thirds, which was our result.